Hey guys, welcome. We're fixing to do another YouTube video here, and we're gonna do some grilled cheese and hot dogs. And this is my grandson Derek. Say hey, Derek.
Hi.
He's gonna be assisting me today on this video, and we're gonna sit here and we got some grilled cheese sandwiches, and we're gonna cook them here on the Blackstone grill, and then we got some hot dogs. Some of the kids wanted some hot dogs, so we're gonna grill up a little bit of hot dogs on here too, because they like hot dogs. Every kid likes hot dogs. So with that being said, I got this grill warming up right now, and we're gonna turn it down just a little bit because I like to cook everything on low. So Derek, if you'll kind of turn this dial right here a little bit to low, all the way down to low. There you go, and turn that one down to low. It's always nice to be out here and teach a kid how to cook. So, all right, Derek, if you'll get those, let me pick this up here. Hold on just a second. Pick this up and just lay these grilled cheeses. Grilled cheeses. Oh yeah, look at that. Just lay them on there like that.
Can I do it right here?
Yeah, just do it right there. Anywhere is fine.
Whew.
And just lay it down like that. Here you go. Grab your nose.
Thank you.
Okay. And just grab them down, move this up here like that, and move that one up there, and put that one right there. And then we're going to get these here hot dogs, just some regular old Oscar Mayer wiener hot dogs, and we buy them down there at the grocery store. Usually we try to wait till Publix has them buy one, get one free. Then we go down there to the grocery store, me and Derek, and we go in there and shop for those buy one, get one free, don't we?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. And so we're going to put these hot dogs right here. Just put them right there in the center.
Okay.
Just put them right down there in the center.
If you didn't know this, I love grilled cheeses, guys.
Woo, look at that sizzle. Woo, yeah, look at that sizzle. Throw some more on there. Boy, them hot dogs is cooking now. Wow, we cooking. We cooking now. Yeah, a spatula right over there if you need it. Here's one more. There you go. There you go. There's one more hot dog. Put him on there.
Okay. Last one.
All right, last one. All right. All right. So we're going to sit there and just let that hang out for a few minutes and cook. And we're going to make sure that we get good crust on the outside of these grilled cheeses.
Everybody, hear the sizzle.
You hear the sizzle? They hear the sizzle.
Yeah.
Okay. So the way you do a hot dog on a flat stone is you take your spatula and put on top of it. You can just kind of roll the whole hot dog itself like that, and just kind of roll it up and down like that and let them cook. They're cooking good.
Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thanks.
Go ahead, Derek. Give it a try to roll them hot dogs. Yeah, that's right. That's how you do it. And these hot dogs will be so good when they're done. Everybody likes a good hot dog.
My grandfather makes the best hot dogs.
That's right. That's right. All right, I think that's good. All right, so now we're going to check these grilled cheeses to see how they're doing underneath the bottom. Are they cooking? Yeah, they're cooking.
Maybe just a little more.
I might have to turn the heat up just a little bit on them.
Okay, can I do that?
Just crank it up just a little bit.
Which one?
Both of them. A little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. That's good. That's good. And this one right here is about good. So we have to cook them maybe on about medium.
Ooh.
Maybe a medium low. And that way we can they can get done. All right, you want to check them hot dogs again? Roll them one more time. Go ahead and give them a good roll. Now put your thing down on top on that. Yeah, there you go. And just kind of pull them. There you go. Just kind of massage them. There you go. That's a good roll on them hot dogs. Because you know, like when you go to the gas station, you see these hot dogs and they're in their little case over there.
Ooh.
A lot of times the QT and the racetracks, they got them hot dog rollers.
Woo!
And so then them hot dogs sit there and they roll all day long. And that's what cooks them and keeps them cooked on all sides. All right, that's good. That's good. You're going to roll them.
Woo!
Boy, look at them things looking good. So we're going to let them hang out here So, Derek, how old are you?
Oh, I'm 8 years old. My birthday is in.
No, we got. So you 8 years old. So what grade are you in?
I'm in 4th.
Fourth grade. He's in fourth grade now.
You might think I'm in 3rd, but nope. My birthday is coming up, and it's on August 24th.
Yeah, and he just started a new grade at school, and you know he's now. Ooh, look at that one.
That one's perfect.
Look at that one. Boy, them things is them things. You gonna flip these?
Oh yes.
All right, flip them over. Push it under there fast. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's good. That's good. Gotta shove it under there quick. Oh, that's a good looking one there. That's a good looking. Push it under there.
Let me try that again.
Yeah, let me flip it over here for you.
Thanks.
All right, so we're cooking now.
I think we should let this one and that one cook. Ooh, look at that bubble. They're bubbling up.
Boy, these are looking good. Turn that down just a little bit. Yes, sir. Them grilled cheeses, ain't nothing better than a grilled cheese on a summer day.
Huh.
And what I usually do on the grilled cheeses is I take 2 pieces of bread, and then I put the butter on the inside of the bread, and then I put 2 pieces of American cheese on the bread.
It is delicious.
And it is really good. And that way it's so creamy on the inside and really juicy. And kids just love them. They love them like that. But that's basically how you make a grilled cheese. And you can cook them in a pan inside. You can cook them in the oven. I know my wife, she likes to cook them in the oven. And they're really good in the oven. And but it's the first time we cooked grilled cheeses on the Blackstone. What do you think, Derek? These things look pretty good, don't they?
I think that one should cook on the other side a little bit.
All right, we'll flip her over. Shove it underneath and turn it. There you go. Straighten her back up. Go ahead, flip that other one over there. There you go. Flip it over. Oh, yep, flip it over. Hurry. Put it back over here.
The cheese grip.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
All right, no, you good. You good.
Did it burn?
All right, you better flip these over. Here, let me flip them over. There you go. All right, so that's
this one's let's let this one cook for a little more, and that one should be done.
Okay.
Same with this one.
All right, here, let me take these off. These are done. Put these over here. Let them hang out over
Didn't
here.
That burn?
No, it ain't burned. It ain't burned.
Oh.
Them some good looking ones. Look at that.
Woo!
Woo! These are good. I'm telling you.
This is the best fry ever grilled cheese I've ever seen.
I'm telling you. So it really is good. All right. Ooh, them hot dogs is good now. Here you go. Can you get them off of there?
Make sure to bring that close.
All right. I'm going to hold the pan right here. Hey, you go over on that side and pick them up.
I've never done this with my left hand. I'm not a lefty.
Oh, okay.
Can you turn it off?
Oh, I turned it off. All right. Go ahead. We'll get around here on the side. I'll get on the side you want to get on. Let me get on the other side here.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Scoop, push up against the wall. Scoop them up. Put them on there. All right, set them on there.
Ooh.
Good job. That's right.
Leave that pan.
That's right.
And just flip them on.
There you go. All right, get that one over there. Now come around here. Come around here on the front.
Okay.
There you go. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Yes.
All right. Boy, that worked out really fine. And that's how you cook grilled cheeses and fried hot dogs on a Blackstone. So next time we're going to cook, well, tonight,
we're going to make smash burgers.
Smash burgers tonight. So we're going to cook smash burgers. And I think we're going to make double smash burgers.
Oh, definitely.
And we'll put a lot of mayonnaise on the buns because I love mayonnaise. You love mayonnaise?
I love mayonnaise.
Yeah, and so we'll put mayonnaise on the bun, and man, they're gonna be delicious. So for now, we're gonna go in there and eat us some grilled cheeses and some fried hot dogs, and we'll come back to y'all later and for another segment. You got anything you want to say there, Derek?
If you like mayonnaise, then comment down below.
Okay. All right. Thank you now. We'll talk to you later.
Make sure to like this video.
Yep.